Hello kids, let's learn the alphabet together. A is for apple, a big red apple. B is for ball, a bouncy, colorful ball. C is for cat, a cute purring cat. D is for dog, a friendly, playful dog. E is for elephant, a giant, gray elephant. F is for fish, a little, swimming fish. G is for goat, a goat with a funny beard. H is for hat, a big, floppy hat. I is for igloo, a cozy, snowy igloo. J is for juice, a sweet, yummy juice box. K is for kite, a kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion, a lion with a loud roar. M is for moon, the moon shining bright at night. N is for nest, a bird's nest up in a tree. O is for octopus, an octopus with 8 arms. P is for pizza, very yummy pizza. Q is for queen, a beautiful queen with a crown. R is for rainbow, a colorful rainbow after the rain. S is for sun, the bright, warm sun. T is for turtle, a slow and steady turtle. U is for umbrella, an umbrella for a rainy day. V is for violin, a violin that makes beautiful music. W is for whale, a huge whale in the big ocean. X is for xylophone, a colorful xylophone to play. Y is for yo-yo, a fun yo-yo that goes up and down. Z is for zebra, a zebra with black and white stripes. Great job! You learned all the letters. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe Brightwing Kids TV.